welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Jeremy with Flame Fox 89 here. Since we're getting ready to go to a car show here, we're going to shoot a video on some of the cleaning products I use and cleaning the car. In this video I do clay bar the car, use a Milwaukee Orbital buffer, polisher, and nothing aggressive, just a light cut and then a polish to go over top of it. So yeah, I'll go over some of the products I like to use. One thing I like to use is the Milwaukee Fuel. This is an M12 vacuum. Works great, compact for taking to car shows and, you know, vacuuming your carpet right on the spot. And then here's my rack of cleaning stuff. I don't use all this stuff, but some of it I do. Some of it's been in here for a while. I used to use over the years and changed, and my go-to right now is Chemical Guys. So some of my favorite is this Quick Detailer by Chemical Guys. I use that a lot. I go through a lot of bottles of that. This spray wax isn't too bad. Now I'm not getting paid by Chemical Guys or anything like that. I just showing you what I like to use. This wheel cleaner here, this stuff's awesome for on the like black wheels, painted wheels. I don't use it on the aluminum, but that's good stuff. We have Total Interior. This actually is something new that I'm trying. This works on dash, glass, navigation, and more, so we're going to try some of that out. I haven't tried that yet. I do like the Meguiar's glass cleaner. That's my favorite glass cleaner. Actually, and then Meguiar's bug and tar remover for the bugs. That's not a bad product either. Here's some tire shine that I just tried by Meguiar's on the tires here. It's okay. Not 100% sold on it. This is some of my favorite aluminum polish, which is white diamond. So it's a metal polish. Here's some of the clear cut stuff by Chemical Guys. Black Magic is always a good tire shine also. And then of course you always use microfiber towels. And then guys, if you guys are drag racers at all, and you're getting rubber on the side of your car, Stoner's Tarminator. Oh my god, you can't beat this stuff. The rubber comes right off the car. Like I said, that's just a couple things I like to use. That's my preference. There's a couple other tire and wheel shines or whatever that I use in the other garage. Fortunately, I don't have them out here. Diablo is a good one. It's all by Chemical Guys there, and it's like a wheel cleaner that takes off the brake dust. I mean, it just turns purple and just takes it off. So if you have like black wheels, like I said, my aluminum wheels or my metal polish, I use that white diamond. And most of this stuff is all can be purchased at Advance Auto, so that's where I get a lot of it. Diablo, sometimes I may get that online and order it and have it sent here. But yeah, comment and let me know what you guys use, and if you have any suggestions on any other kind of cleaning products, you know, I'd like to hear about them, or other people may like to hear about it and try. And I use some of that Meguiar's ceramic tire shine there, or tire cleaner, It didn't really shine. It's like a medium shine, but it made it look clean. So that'll work nice because I really don't like a wet tire shine. It's just my preference. I just like a clean look. I am clay barring my car right now, so I'm gonna show you a couple steps or let the video run while I'm doing some of this. But we're cleaning it up for Drag Fest over at Lebanon County Fairgrounds in Lebanon, PA. It's part of Motorama Productions. So if you haven't been there, it's a great show. I think I mentioned it earlier, but I'm going to keep advertising it. Right now, I like chemical guys, so I'm using their quick detailer, spraying that as a to be the wet surface. So I like purple. There, and that's how we do some clay barring. Always use clean rags if you can. I mean, if these get dirty, start to get nasty, throw them out, get new ones. I mean, you don't want to get scratches in your paint. So yeah, we're going to clay bar this. I'm going to finish clay barring this, and then I'm going to probably run a orbital polisher over everything and then do a final wipe after that. Alright, right now I'm running my orbital Milwaukee polisher over this paint. I still got a couple more steps to do, but we'll get it. We'll show you the finished product then. Alright fellas, the car's coming out real good. We did a little bit of a light cut with the Milwaukee orbital polisher, and then I actually did a final polish. So I'll show you that now. Yeah, so there it is. The front end, the roof. I didn't do the sides of the car yet or the front bumpers, so we're still working on it. But I thought I'd update you. I actually clay barred the windshield too, so the windshield's really turned out good too and clean. So, alright, I moved on to cleaning the side of the car. What's nice about cleaning the side of the car here is I can put it up on a lift. Yeah, it'd be easy to reach, easier to clean. You can get it real good. There's the car up in the air, all shined up and clean, ready for the show. Underneath and up top, so you know, the paint and the undercarriage, everything's clean and ready to go. Alright fellas, that's it for this video today. If you like this video, hit the like button and the subscribe button please. And remember, keep making them fast and loud.